Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating topic that plays a vital role in the world of computers, computer peripherals. Whether you are a beginner, a tech enthusiast, or someone who simply uses computers daily, understanding what computer peripherals are and how they work is essential. Peripherals are the external devices that connect to your computer to add more functions and enhance its capabilities. They are the tools that make your computer more interactive, efficient, and useful in real-world applications. A computer peripheral is any hardware device that is connected to a computer system but is not part of its core components such as the CPU, motherboard, or RAM. These devices can be input devices, output devices, or storage devices. Peripherals allow users to communicate with the computer, display information, or store data. For example, keyboards, mice, monitors, printers, scanners, speakers, and external hard drives are all considered peripherals. Without them, computers would be far less interactive and functional. To understand computer peripherals better, we can divide them into three main categories: input devices, output devices, and storage devices. Input peripherals are devices used to send data or commands to the computer. Examples include keyboards, mice, microphones, and webcams. Output peripherals display or transmit the processed information from the computer to the user, such as monitors, printers, speakers, and projectors. Storage peripherals are used to save and retrieve data, such as external hard drives, flash drives, and memory cards. Each category plays a unique and indispensable role in the computing environment. Input peripherals are perhaps the most commonly used type of computer peripheral. A keyboard allows you to type commands, letters, and numbers into your system. A mouse lets you navigate and interact with graphical elements on the screen. Other modern input peripherals include touchscreens, styluses, and game controllers. These devices make computing more natural and efficient by providing direct interaction with digital content. Output peripherals, on the other hand, serve the purpose of presenting the processed information from the computer to the user. Monitors display visuals, while printers produce hard copies of digital documents. Speakers and headphones output sound, while projectors allow larger visual displays for audiences. Each output device enhances how we experience and interpret the data processed by the computer. Storage peripherals extend a computer's ability to save and retrieve data. External hard drives, USB flash drives, CDs, and cloud-based storage devices enable users to back up important files, transfer data between systems, and increase storage capacity. These peripherals are essential for maintaining data security and accessibility. Before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing helps you stay connected and updated with new and informative videos like this one. Also, do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video to tell me what you think about computer peripherals and how you use them. Finally, turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video where I will discuss more exciting topics in computer technology. Let us move deeper into how computer peripherals affect system performance. High-quality peripherals can significantly enhance productivity and user experience. For example, a mechanical keyboard can improve typing speed and accuracy, while a high-resolution monitor can display detailed graphics for design work or gaming. Similarly, external GPUs and advanced printers help perform specialized tasks more effectively. Investing in the right peripherals can transform a simple computer setup into a professional workstation. Peripherals also evolve with technology. Wireless devices such as Bluetooth keyboards, wireless mice, and Wi-Fi printers have eliminated the clutter of cables, making workspaces more organized. Modern external drives use faster connection interfaces such as USB-C and Thunderbolt for higher data transfer speeds. Peripherals now also include devices like VR headsets, digital drawing tablets, and smart docking stations that expand the computer's versatility beyond traditional tasks. Another important aspect of peripherals is compatibility. Not every device works seamlessly with every computer. For example, operating systems may require specific drivers or software for peripherals to function correctly. Always check system requirements before purchasing or connecting new devices. Compatibility ensures the peripheral can communicate efficiently with your computer and perform as expected. Peripherals are essential for both personal and professional use. In offices, they support daily productivity. Printers, scanners, and network devices streamline operations. In creative industries, specialized peripherals such as graphic tablets, digital cameras, and studio microphones help professionals express creativity more effectively. For gamers, peripherals like controllers, gaming headsets, and RGB keyboards create immersive experiences. Every user can customize their computer setup depending on their personal or professional needs. In conclusion, computer peripherals are the bridge between users and computers. They are not just accessories, they are extensions that bring a computer system to life. Understanding their types, functions, and importance helps you make smarter choices when building or upgrading your system. Whether it is for work, study, entertainment, or creativity, peripherals play an irreplaceable role in modern computing. Please subscribe to my channel to continue learning about technology and computer literacy. Also, do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video to let me know how you use your computer peripherals. Finally, turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video, and thank you very much for watching.